Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can install the cydia using checkra1n. So on the previous video I show you how you get the checkra1n application on your Springboard using checkra1n app on Ubuntu or Mac. So once you jailbreak, you had the checkra1n and you can see the loader. Just click cydia, install cydia, and downloading the database system here. And this will install the working cydia on your iPhones or iPads. So now it's installed the cydia. Okay, now this requires working internet connection. So as you can see here, I got the cydia here. So once I open the cydia for very first time, okay, so it's giving me some changes, and you need to upgrade all these important changes. Complete upgrade, and just confirm that. And you can see here it will updating something, I don't know, give me some errors, but yeah, fine, it's gonna work completely. There is a package error. Okay, so and here we go, guys. So it will upgrade some essentials and restart a Springboard. So here we go, guys. Now we can see the cydia is completely working flawlessly on my iDevice. So here we go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install the tweak to show you that it's going to work completely. Little 11 is my favorite tweak. This package actually gave me some errors, so I will definitely uninstall that package. But as you can see here, it will install some tweak called Little 11 that we can get the iPhone 11 gestures on this iPhone. It will download all the important thing. I will demonstrate here because you guys are asking like it's not jailbroken, it's a fake cydia. You can see here is working fine, and restart Springboard. And after restarting the Springboard, you can see and hear the tweak is working flawlessly. You can see here gesture is working. Boom. All the gestures of iPhone 11 working, and control center is from top. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video, and I think you got your answer how you can get the cydia using checkra1n. First you need to follow how you can install the checkra1n on Ubuntu and Linux on your IP. This is not an IPA, this will a jailbroken exploited application, which is it's help to jailbreak, it's escape the sandbox. And after that, using checkra1n, you can install this thing, cydia. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Peace out.